NDC, when they were in opposition, they were talking about galamsey. And we got some about stop galamsey. But always said the idea AC qua now no. Just a galamsey no more cast on back home galamsey no. Eh, Chairman to me na over never back on. Hey, I saw that granny. That was a no no. And actually, Jonas, I bet you not ever. Efa at a tears are by with the Chairman Wontumi Edam so. Efa galamsey who I just say. Chairman Kutu yanya nehwe. NDC appointees bebrebe na no. Ebu kwa South NDC chairman ne ba etu galamsey yanya nehwe. Na emu no Twene Jonas abe clash with Mahama. In fact, one fans feel mo abe bona adwen pa chire mu. Sam George eso enya ne samba. Twe mo nchire mu no akire wa adwen amame. Ewo comment section. Aha yi Penyah block media. Meso so any die mu. Obe like video no that about subscribe button samba click the notification latest update samba chire wa adwen da amame ewo comment section. Meso so baso no ahye for so enya bi ahwe. Etenye nim ade a Chairman Wontumi wa famu na watwatwa mu yi. Yes, Monday no. Eno ko sia for headquarters. Okoye no omu detaining no. Ese ya che okrache. Ya che. He, akonta mining. Ana tano no new forest no. Ya che no. Ede kwa du mielu na ball no. Ede gan de akonta mining at the ball no. Na akonta mining near man a bail of 10 million Ghana cedis. Oh yes, obe meeting the bail condition that day na. And a deputy attorney general, I said, oh, catch him on me. Now there's another case. And I go for a turn on the blue forest at the bar. I said, why quite a mile coins a cool rat turn on the blue forest? Nimu. Chairman Wontumi, why a mile quiet as a cool remu? I am no crazy abase. Chairman Wontumi, galamsey no wajai. If you say we are not ordained the galamsey concession quite and the galamsey site no. I'm not to your wakata man in answer, come. Edria Kube, according to reporter, means like any video available to me. Chairman Wontumi get the site no. We die akova amna nyina so adua kube e was ayesenka a nice idea but yes a crime has no expiry. Why na man kwan so nko turn on the blue forest ni mu eno ene se now ye de atwe na bo so ene ade other say na ye de twa Chairman Wontumi abo asui no obekaya public account committee for Asia na say omu to amanfo ene ade e ho de koyitum say ebu akwa South NDC chairman Ebu akwa South NDC chairman neba etu galamsey den yanka ho asem Chairman Kutu e wa Asantehene mu otu galamsey den yanka ho asem na eno no ana Twene se ekoko apai because ha na nsem kwa no sankofa mining ya ton ama Ibrahim Mahama ada say Ibrahim ya ton san Ghana nyina japade ya ton abani papa akopɛ Mahama nua president nua beto ma ya japade ebe iro ma yumba hey asame granny ya ton ma japade agbo president nua oni woska wa beto eno ana Twene se wonte ase adenti na yesa ase galamsey fight no ye attack Chairman Wontumi na MP before no nko about NDC for mo to galamsey now no one more field ni A2 ne de ye ni ase hu ye ena ye hantu obi Twene abebo na adwen a kire Mahama in fact one fans pe wa clash ne pa
ti say ye baba me Twene Jonas na yenkwase asem waja se yenkwase akeka enti John Mahama na Jimmy and I admit the fact that John Mahama na Jimmy yanto aba man se on fasika nkosisa criminals megu Ghana o na criminals na eba na omku Ghana ni amema obi aku John Mahama bashim ani okuje to abra kwa bashim na ye draw ena John Mahama no sisi ana wo chi Wontumi da bia no da ben ena over start achi wa wo ho ani unua Ibrahim Mahama no because mose mu wia sankofa mines sisi a ma be ka chem se sankofa mines no Ghana fo workers na wo ni nyina ma yoma firi na mo de Ibrahim Mahama abusuanfo ne wo Mahama abusuanfo ne NDC fo na koguo ena mo ye galamsey left and right Ghana property mawia Wontumi kura de wanwia Ghana property on de nsuo no asɛ no na mo che no enti mo amawia Ghana property da be na mo che mo amo John Mahama kronfo sisi ada be na mo amo che mo amo na afi no ma stop galamsey because sisi anu galamsey no ma stop MPP fo a da be na mo stop mo amo ho nsuo dey say too much da be na mo stop mo amo ho John Mahama kwasea mpanyini da ben na wo stop unua Ibrahim Mahama no ene wankasa da ben ka kire Ghana fo no muntie black voter na ni clear Akufo-Addo time sisi a Tom Brown and no mucha pichem na say Ibrahim Mahama in Paponi Ibrahim Mahama say nsuo no na NDC fo na omo say nsuo no me ka chom say di ntino omo say nsuo omo si John Mahama kwasea na sisa pipa bi ahye omo nsem say lances enti police ni bi ahye omo a omo fa say pipa ni nkire omo say omo lances a omo dey say nsuo enti saa no o pese o fight galamsey wa fight MPP for fight NDC for no. That is the only way galamsey no betimi ende. But say me fight MPP for no meja NDC for amoma sensu a we kwasea. Ena Ibrahim Mahama excavator no otweba no. Otwebe wura Ghana oda bia ede otimi di 6000 obeyi ni nyina duty free no. Enti saa no eba saa John Mahama o kwachi Wontumi na Wontumi nchi unua na ekronfo na no what kind of leader are you? Your mind now open you what you want to me for your own selfish gains. So enti Wontumi says you our Asantehene region black voter Ibrahim Mahama say no ono so ye minds o baby any Chairman kutu ase kuro ni nyina because Ibrahim Mahama the excavator be go on omo de say no enti Hanabisi ukwachi excavator na enye because John Mahama ni adia enti Hanabisi uchi excavator na adia bechi na ahira enti da be na bechi Ibrahim Mahama aka ho ne ehu se afedi a o ye adwuma no obi se fire Sam George the food to man akwa ne se akwa jimi a wajimi no me hu nipa wajimi saada sa Sam George no wase ya to abama mo behwe kwan me fa so bi adwuma na afi mo party na yakono na da bia ya boma baso no da bi mo sika ni nyina de atotofia ma shewfo na me de aka tua media fo so mo ntwantro ema obia hu se John Mahama mamuo ye papa meanwhile Ghana no ekwan nyina tutu meanwhile Ghana no galamsey nkoara mo se nsuo no esi MPP for menim se MPP for me galamsey nyina ma stop omo na mo na mo ye galamsey na saa no mo pe oman ni ya na se mo pe mo selfish reason ti na mo de buy meanwhile so me na mkoto aba me na mse ye to aba mo me ma nyi om kapro Kevin Taylor aboa na onom tia nka na omo ma nisika abie TV John Mahama odwan na bie TV ama no tia nka bo John Mahama jimifo ede ne mark to school tia ne maka the taxpayers money to Kevin Taylor boy maka school anti sa kwasea we no na masabo ne paase on san fa mo mre me na menwem na masabo kwasea we paase on fa mo mre me na menwem obviously nowadays you don't get view kwasea me the whole Ghana one popular chairman menya views anka NDC for nisu the whole Ghana obi any one popular chairman why ana na jegezi kwasi campaign yesi Ghana Water Limited wo ban na aba anzu ntimi ntua nso kana ese wo no Akufo-Addo woso na utua water no but NDC buy wadwen on say NDC so funti umpese obetua enti omo so de ka almost 7,000 ti omo twa nsuo enti azana moye e wa so dem anopa wi anwumre mu disika nyina etua twe ukodi Mezbel e wo property so Mezbel e buy utimi nya sika bribe tua baseball blackmail you say one tia obeka kire oyere obeka kire Ghana fo nyina so we rape no puppet so unya sika kotua Mezbel ka ade ntina unya sika entua wo unsuo as a selfish ma buy na bantim pese mu nyina mo bokro no na Ghana Water Company o ma shutting down me nim se John Mahama jimi for from so mo connect unsuo ni ma free a o ma abeka kire me no ma be fire ka kotua kwasea mu nyina mu ntia hwe na mu nenam kuro mu na jimi mu wia na ma be fra mu weskafo Ghana ni na ono kom den na ne boss mu yakatua John Mahama kwasea ni ntua na esefo no o diska ni nyina atotofia matrix bo ache kwasea no na saa na esikuro ya na ekotua ladbi teacher ni aye ntua ne kano saa teacher ni na ekotua ladbi police for ni soldier for frame ya afa ya ka no yenso yentua ka me soldier ni 10 months ni emenyi pay me police ni 8 months ni emenyi pay na John Mahama nti wagimi saa ni scan wo he ani yes I won't mean to soldier for police for any nurse for any teacher for men for private jet bio sa woni me na akọ for private jet asa da no kuro na abekọ no kasoma onye ma mpanyin o Ghana obio John Mahama se untimi ntua teacher for nurse for na to soldier for a black private jet 1 hour bia sika 1 hour wotena private jet ma 1 hour timi tua sankofo ni nyina aka mansesa aka musika 20 million 30 million pen untimi ntua ba mu $1 million am dey fly private jet unu Ibrahim ama kwasea mpanyin da bi ot private jet se ofru private jet aka kromu o mabio yebetu waban ndis meme soldier for na yiku atu because kwasea sem say any sika ye tua workers na omo ye adwuma ne ka but you will sky there for private jet what kind of a Jimmy for na edi eso ati soldier ni no tu okura na onfa nkobokro no ana police ni tu okura na onfa nkobokro no ana say massa almost sending message o me DM yesu ye ntua ka o fa ka o nya nurse for no nko a na anya ai police for anya a teacher for nko a na kwasea nti what makes you different from Akufo-Addo? What makes you different from Akufo-Addo? Sika no wo ho na sami jamfi atam de to cars na sami jamfi di sika na ba Mahama ke ni enye sika ntua nurse for ka. What makes you different? Are you not stupid? Ose and these people are blaming Otumfuo for galamsey. Aye omo ana galamsey na omo de kwahye Otumfuo. Me Otumfuo ni mu bia nka ma be dinatem. Muamunim kama be fire no NDC for no na galamsey no me police for no e ka kire me say any soldier for no be ka kire me say tiom baabi na John Mahama odwan no e the order from above abeyi say guide galamsey for enye John Mahama kwasea no na galamsey a nka wo ye dai koyi soldier ni so nko guide galamsey for no pa John Mahama ne pa onyi soldier for no ana soldier for no kogu baras no kache Ghana police say ma police ni bia guide galamsey ni na afi no onya announcement say Ghana ni bia mo ni sa se wo mai ni ehwe se obi betimi e de ne pe afiri nkran ana China aba obi krom abedwiri ni koko agu abetu galamsey wona sa se so a ye behwe ka afuo mu ofo betwitwa ni pa cross kan yakunu eye soldier fo ni police fo na John Mahama kwasea no ama mo guide galamsey fo ni ntia na hana bisi ukra na ono no woye galamsey fighter no ono kura timi ni John Mahama soldier for ni police for ni ko crash site aden am man in China for no omo man in wow because they tia John Mahama may protect China for no John Mahama may protect illegal for no and he say man panyin no ojai ni selfish reason say may stop galamsey na make sure say obia enye dai. Obviously, indeed, it's Halloween. Where's your Halloween mask? Mami so air conditioner na weather we dey. I say, mami kata me car na pump na me so AC na weather na em say. Enya me foki. Weather na no day. Oh, enti aban no. Obviously, how much is your car? We a pre customization, a bulletproof. But be a bulletproof, and it cost me $1.5 million. But without the bulletproof, you pay probably maybe $300,000. And so pay you in like 6 in your V8, but we have V12. Now the smaller the engine, the smaller the price. And you pay the V12 say customization, bulletproof, fully loaded, self-driving, all the features like this. Now with we no man, we will BMW care, we will all the subscription, and we will service all the premium cares. And tinina account na price ni jump ko $1.5 million. But say if you don't want to spend that much, I'll bet me at the end bulletproof. Because many time to bulletproof is sometimes if you have more $10 million at a car in the boot, we will $5 million, we will $3 million because me investor I have so many cash on me sometimes because American all this can do on alpha banga or be treat and kwasea taxes. No magic taxes na correct and here for so me basem be pesca my masem be pesca dia correct kwasea for me scanner I have to keep the money until I try to hide some of the money until the way I met my hide this can say name from bank me keep on the physical cash no me or mansion be or underground. When I'm me packing me sikani go na me security and run up at 24/7. But I'm protected me vault no. And when I'm keeping most of my $1 million in cash. And said that I mean could you kwasea taxes also. But don't get me wrong, I still pay taxes. Second with me, I'm ship free Germany buy me to add taxes in some few fees being a registration normal how I say. And home books in Nagua, a brand new car. And books in here how to drive the car, how book in here, how to do everything. And home book in you have to learn how the functions, the features, everything. But I just don't get time to be learning every time. But anyway. With that being said, let's get into it. And John Mahama na galam say no. And ama ade no muntimi stop no. And the blame otumfo amanya jimi na NDC for muni chasere stupid people. Otumfo on the protest on the ama Ghana soldier for the Ghana police guy the galam say for. Kwasea e hwan na asoma soldier for no. John Mahama kwasea na asoma mo. Soldier for na catch him say John Mahama na asoma mo. Nya say otumfo na asoma mo. And say ohini bi na John Mahama asoma mo ma na catch him. Almost John Mahama Jimmy for the free balance. So cop guide and Nipaboni for almost say soon. Enti Edientina Ibrahim Mama excavator the Konina, John Mahama Nama soldier for guide this excavator. Mudiko, Isanko Famans, John Mahama kwasea for Adoma Betana, or Mania, Psycho Famans, no, or Mania. Black voter no about so a crown phone to be a black voter and two near Ibrahim Mama excavate anti or no mahono black voter nine to set on round. So Uncle Famans or maybe Namoko position as Uncle Famans Ibrahim Mama na Mama be claim say any they are. Mebo Pam will be a kukumumino. Me cannot crash them because the same way a kufuado mobile muya a japadi sana muyashi mobile fee in sapine or be a muyashi. This time no mentina ona NDC ba no mabe wi o manya pade MPP ba no mu wi ana mu de mu Jimmy akoma nkwasea fosika ti se wa yo si Jimmy fo no ano abetena de Isaaje fo Kwame Nkrumah no ebe build infrastructure build company na MPP NDC akronfo ya betonton bibia momo aho na o de Jimmy de Kwame Nkrumah be compare John Mahama kronfo no mo dam Jimmy fo kwasea John Mahama Kwame Nkrumah hemfa no wi a bibima na ebusuani Ibrahim Mahama Ghana Bauxite Limited sika nyina kwa na council me di entia because John Mahama kronfo na wi ade amano enti wa wi Ghana Bauxite amano no discane ahan private jet e di show off e di bia to car what you say e di show off e di entina se ko wi a sankofa mines aka no wagimi abra mines no sika ne yebetimi de kotua teacher for ka yebetimi de kotua nurse for ka yebetimi de akwa kotua yebetimi de akoye school feeding program kra yebetimi de aboa bibi wo manum e di entina mun kwa mawi bibi akoma jimi na sa no kwasea na mo ne na wi ase ye de mema obi abekum mienu enti munye mumfa hye madwem se sankofa mu didi homa ban na aba but mu ko position beja ato sa mu Jimmy na mu de ama bloggers o mun kanche blogger mun kanche Ghana fo nyina si ya sankofa manse Ibrahim Mahama de ano Jimmy keka John Mahama tie mi Jimmy keka Jimmy keka what you say obi anwi ahwe wo manum sa ba Jimmy brani atra nya sa wo John Mahama obewu obi antimi nkasa mema obi abeku foolish case we kronfo ati wi ase yeden enti mame nchim se mo dia be hye otumfo na ye galamse abra galamse fo ni nyina anya sojafo na anka kromuofo be buo mu nyina pamomo na no mame bi a ono ofre me na burofu a ono abo adua na buru a wo ba betwa okoya excavator sima mu dwiri aburu nyina gu asu dia no betima because sojafo ekukuratuo e guide omo on ba se ye na nka soja ni bi e ni akiri na kromu ofo youth no ko mbekwa koku China fo ni nyina ana mbekwa ko buo mu nyina ba ye na mse soja ni kuratuo guide China ni no o kromu ofo be da protect o mun sase enti otumfo no oyere ba mu John Mahama odwan na asoma soja fo so mun guide China fo no mun sensu enti den na okobo otumfo din wo mempe Jimmy o otumfo an kam ya ba fire no so who person stop galamse a simple and one say why you soldier for ni na afro site o soldier ni bia nkotena bias police ni bia enkobo kwa nchichi akronfo mo bia nko guide obi a Ghana ni bia mo ne sase ho ban na hwe de ebesie o Ghana o na hwe de ebesie because Ghana sase bia oni ewura na hwe de ebesie se obi betimi akose me kosensu o ba bia abodam na no soldier for John Mahama Sam ko manso wahu de kromu ofo ni soldier for ne ye o mo hihye ka ko ba nyina akwan so mo soldier for ne makro no Edientia because almost protect your say and Tinya they say soldier ni kura almost shishe car cobes almost stop soldier for no kukretuno. How much more than foreigner China ni so no na ebe krumu abetunsu abesensu. How much more than foreigner and MDC minister be say me baba egalem say woman so kamanso phone be bu minister na tutu ne say na modi soldier for na di o machiniti ana ama omusuro soldier for no munim say soldier ni betimi ato omutuo ana bibisa eno nti John Mahama na say kuro na wo de ma mu se munim jimi ni kwhye otumfo anya hwe John Mahama kwasea na say kuro no we are no pretend me ameme de me 191 me anya fe na betwa ntro bia wa wo ya wo ye dadulumba na busia panyina jimi nya na me man wa hai wadi ase nya na me oji wa hai ajo asafu mabusia mfo ajimi wo yi nya na me omonji wa hai I say there's no favoritism. Yeah, warm up on a coba bia. I don't cancel the win. Kwasea da bia obekwama sofu kromfui. Yana me fire ni. What I say? Cause I saw drinking what you know, one movie some now forget as an sofu for no. Cause omo dupu nipa left and right. Tida de bi omo na man security ni police ni in a guide omo. Because u jam omo nkwana nti omo bu obi afaso omo wia obi omo ICC obi be kuno. Enti de bia omo here securities. Omo criminals. Enti ya criminals we no now de bia to defend omo because omo bokro no omo sika ni bidi. On we say anya fine. Oh. Enti okuja to abrakwa San kwasea keka na okeka ni nyina no obi anim se magimi America nyina obi edim atam mo se Ghana leaders ya mwa obi asemo ya mwa because omo nte ase se mo de emoji criminals omkrum magimi enti nya fe na ade kwasea be pretend se ai media menye oh media ai menye my friend ai homeland security for no ice for no media menye abrigo ai gasia menye no wo bua waje no atem no mu di unintia waje no sa amle oda kempiski chele wo am ye the taxpayers money to aduane mani di waje no wo ya bua atem no mu di mu ni news nintia fa ba bi o mu di ma mo se mo ya mwa na wonya bua adwene be no da utim se criminal oni kromfo apon because omunim so notorious obe dini pawu obe kum nipa ni kromfo Venezuela fo mpeno ni kromfo Mexico fo mpeno ni krom obi ampeno na monko ama jimi ntimaji criminal no monko ama jimi ntimaji no na na jimi abatena ai ye de yenye no oni twasere stop people want to abama se monko ji criminals me gugana o enti anam de boy ne yem fanto ano wode ne kwasea jimi ana me buafu no criminal ti se sa boy no na America eto moma no e de mo baka na wo obia ni wo ye ni papa wa America me meti am ye ni papa mi woni companies after companies mi tu kwa na ya abrofo ne ya kwaja se wo fa bisanse o tu kwan aba vacation wo Ghana enya abrofo ne ya o mama na 1 month be ukwa abrɛw cause omo hia omude oye nkwase adwuma na omude ameki omusika acho se broni onwene ti se bibini a onya sky twe ho no odwene dabi onya sky obi adwuma enti da bia ohia kwase mpanyin bi na ye cheap labor enti wo okrum no kura ye ne ya
Chira wadwe mame e wo comment section aha yi Penyah Block Media.